Your resume is a career asset. It is a vehicle to start more conversations to get you to your dream job. So here's my hot take on resumes best practices, and there's a lot of noise out there. You want to use a Word document or a PDF. You can easily find templates through Microsoft Word. You don't want your picture. You want to keep it simple. Clarity converts. So you don't want to confuse your reader, and there's all different levels of people that are making a decision on your resume. So make it clear, make it concise. At the top of the resume, have your name, have your city, have your phone number, and your email address. I am shocked at the number of resumes that are lacking a phone number. We still call people to offer you a job, so make sure your phone number is on there. Next, you want to make sure that your core competencies, skills, and everything, your work experience is listed from your most recent experience to your older experience. I also recommend including your technical expertise, and don't be afraid to show a little flair of who you are outside of the working environment. What are some of your hobbies? Are you an Eagle Scout? Do you enjoy hiking or knitting? Connection converts to opportunities. So don't be afraid to tell that story in your resume. Now that you have the resume, then you can start your application strategy next.